Whoa! Look who it is. It's Zart and his little baby boy. And look, they have a Ryan's World toy squishy. It's so cute. Okay, he wrote us a note. I want to see what's inside, please. It looks like there's a picture of a pair of scissors that he drew. Zart. Okay. So here is the scissors, and I'm gonna cut this open after I play with it first. It's a slow rising squishy. Comment down below what you think's inside this squishy. I can't wait. Let's do one more squish, one more really big squish. Okay, it's time to cut it open. Okay, it's getting there. So excited to see what's inside. I wonder if it's gonna gush out with stuff. Oh, this is so tricky. Oh, Zart, you are just so silly. Okay, let's see what it looks like so far. Ooh, it's purple and squishy. Look, this squishy still works. That is so cool. Okay, let's squish it again. Let's squish it together. Let's see if it gets just magically fixed. Oh, I think it is. I think it's getting magically fixed. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, let's finish ripping it open. Woo! Oh. Now they each have one to play with. How fun is that? Okay, I'm gonna squish it together. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sporella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Wow, it's almost like he's back to normal, don't you think? Well, thank you so much for watching.